Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Binary Trader. Firstly, in this video I am going to show you how I generate my signals for you to trade with. I believe trading is one of the best and easiest way to make money online, and I believe we all want to make a living for ourselves and to feed our family. As a beginner in trading, you can't trade on your own because you will make a lot of loss. That is why a lot of people look for where to get free signals to trade with. Luckily you are in the right place because a lot of people don't give you the kind of signals I provide. And our win rate is high. Our software has a high win rate with little loss and some martingale trades, which is not bad, but I want to limit this. Lately I have been busy because I and my team are trying to upgrade the software. And we also want to start working in the OTC market, which means more money for us. Now into how I generate my signals. Firstly, I open the HTML file, then I choose the assets I want to trade with. Then I choose the minimum percentage and maximum percentage. After that I choose the time frame and the number of days I want the software to analyze. Personally, I like to choose 52 days to give the best results possible. Then lastly I choose call or put, then I generate the signals. So these are the signals generated, then I copy and post them in my Telegram channel for you to use. The signal works for Quotex, Olymp trade, pocket options etc. It work on all brokers. The software is very nice, but I want to upgrade it so that it can be more money for me and my subscribers. I have created a free VIP channel to use my free signals. Check the link in the pinned comment if you want to join. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel to start earning.